5:30. I am rushing to the gas station to buy fuel. The night is coming quick and we have to get ready. "6 p.m. No light. It's too dark to sit inside the house, so we go outside and wait, hoping that NEPA will bring light soon." 6:30. No NEPA yet, but mosquitoes are everywhere. Please, let's go inside before they finish us. 7 p.m. Sitting in total darkness. No light yet. 7:10. Our neighbor has started his gen. But kay nature, maybe NEPA is still coming. 7:20. I don't tire. Daniel, abeg, go start the gen. Daniel! 8:05. Up NEPA. Daniel, go off the gen. Daniel! Just as I'm about to lay down, the light goes off. Make we wait small. It might come back right away. 9:36. Daniel, abeg, on the gen. Daniel! 10:04. Up NEPA again. I don't already fall asleep, but because I no wan waste fuel, I managed to tell Daniel to off the gen again. Daniel! 10:45. The light offs once again. Should I just sleep or try and call Daniel once more? 10:50. Daniel, please, on the gen. 12:05. The fuel has finished. Let me just manage this sleep without fun. 3 a.m. Our neighbor just started his extra large gen. Me, I'm just lying in darkness, sweating like crazy and not sleeping because of the noise. Before I know, alarm rang. It's time to get up.